Discover your path to a successful plumbing career. Plumbing apprenticeship programs offer a fantastic opportunity to combine paid-on-the-job training with structured classroom instruction over 4 to 5 years. This prepares apprentices to meet state requirements for the journeyman plumber exam and full licensure. Strong demand for plumbers. Plumbing is a recession-resistant trade with strong long-term demand. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects approximately 48,600 annual job openings through 2032 due to infrastructure needs and workforce retirements. As a plumber, you play a critical role in ensuring clean drinking water, sanitary waste removal, and overall public health. Comprehensive skill development. You'll learn to read blueprints, install and repair various plumbing systems, understand the International Plumbing Code, and master safety protocols. As you gain these competencies, your wages will progressively increase, providing a stable financial future. Career advancement opportunities. The plumbing field offers pathways to foreman, estimator, project manager, contractor licensing, and even business ownership across residential, commercial, and industrial sectors. Organizations like ABC Hawaii support apprenticeships through industry-aligned curriculum, connections to member contractors, and workforce development programs meeting state licensing standards. In summary, plumbing is more than just a job, it's a stable and rewarding career choice. The demand for qualified plumbers continues to outpace supply, ensuring plenty of opportunities for the next generation. Start your plumbing apprenticeship at abchawaii.org.